Hi, today we're headed to St. Charles, Illinois to some of the first garage sales of the season. And we're bringing you with. So this should be good. Checking out this garage sale. What? Look at that Jeep or whatever over there. Hi. Woo. Signs, little art. These are cute.
Natural light. You need light?
Yeah.
Alright.
Just gonna point it up, it'll just reflect down.
Don't know anything about these. Brian. I know, me neither. I don't even know where to find the marks on these. Maybe we should learn. There's some chocolate sticks or something. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Good.
Good.
An interesting house. This is an ice cream mogul that lives here. We'll see what they have. My husband built a pergola for them. Hello. Good morning. Hi. I like the pictures. 24. Cool. Some forks. Stuff. Oh, nice picture. Aluminum pitcher. That's nice. I like that.
Is this stuff still working on?
What? I have no
Porcelain
idea.
knobs, they used to be, just that used to be a lot of money. This has got the whole lock and everything. $10.
I don't know. I have to look that up, honey. Here's a bunch of planers,
Old.
tools, old tools.
Thank you.
Old kitchen gadgets. Wow. The heck?
Old porcelain knob lock.
Huh. Ooh, $10. Hmm.
And locks.
What's the price on this?
I don't think you sell rosaries, so if you would like it, you can have it.
I read the thing for my wife.
Yeah.
Okay, thank
Yeah.
you.
Yep.
I told her about it, she's disabled.
Oh, okay.
She drives around, I have to do her shopping for her.
Sure,
She
sure.
goes, ask what size the clothes are.
I get it,
Ask
yeah.
what size the shoes are.
Yeah.
And tell me if there's anything I
No.
like.
I have to
Okay.
look up this stuff. Blank.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, thank you.
It can be about 60, probably.
Good luck with your sale.
Thank you. Have a good day.
It's another gorgeous day here. I thought I'd show you a red bud tree in bloom. We have, oh, maybe 10 of them on the property. Anyway, I'm going to show you a little haul from the garage sales and a little bit of Goodwill stuff too. Okay, let's go. Well, the garage sales were not that great up in St. Charles. However, what we did find turned out to be pretty dang good. We also went to a Newark, Illinois garage sales, and there's a little bit of Goodwill here to show you. So let's get into it. First thing I found was a Mistletoe Magic squirrel ornament. And you can probably guess who that is for. Me. 50 cents. It is worth about $10. Next, for 50 cents, I mean, you just can't beat garage sale prices. Found 2 brass candle holders, and those should be worth $15 to $20. Another 50-cent item. We got a brass giraffe. You can kind of see how tall he is with my hand there. 50 cents turns into $15 to $20. Then for $1, I got a sterling silver pendant, which I will probably sell alone, not with this necklace. And I believe it's a mother of pearl. It is marked 925, and it has a designer's name, B-A-R-S-E, on the back, Barze. So that is worth around $65. Okay, next. This was $1.50, half price garage sale. And it is a Teleflora metal Pyrex casserole holder, like a bread pan. And I was going to keep this, but mine does not fit inside of it. So my loss is your gain. That was $1.50 and worth about $21. Next, picture frame. Beautiful picture frame. 8x10, gold, heavy, ornate. And this is by the Weston Gallery, and it's called Versailles. $1. Turns into about 29. Okay. Next, found this beautiful antique tiger wood frame, oval, which are hard to find. It's also the bubble glass with a crocheted basket inside. This was $1 and it should sell for around $125. It's in perfect condition too. Next, found a beautiful decanter, half price, $2.50. This is by Southern Living. It's called the Hampton decanter. It's got a really cool ball up on top, blown glass. Gorgeous. $2.50 into $47. Then we found 2 Murano pieces. One has a little cherub on the front, and it is an ice bucket frosted crystal glass. They are marked Creazione Silvestri Art Murano crystal made in Italy. This one has some ice in it, but I'll probably take that out. And the vase, same thing, same mark. Except the vase, the cherub is fading. But half price garage sale, $2.50 for both pieces. The ice bucket should be worth around $80 and the vase maybe around $25. I'm telling you, that's why everybody waits and waits and waits for garage sales. Okay, next. This is an artist signed. It's signed Kaiser. 3 flying geese. It's porcelain. And we got this for $2. This would be worth a lot more money. Only one problem. We found that it did have one little chip right there on the wing. So we're going to have to sell it for less. And I don't know, I'm thinking $69 to $89. It's worth hundreds. I mean, can you believe this stuff? There's the signature. I forgot what that read. Buchanan, I think. S. Buchanan. Okay. Then we found two, I forgot what they're called, kentographs. I didn't write it down, but I think it does say it on the back here. Yes. They are called lentographs. 3D lentograph pictures. And there it is. By Victor Anderson, 3D Studios, Port Chester, New York. So we got two of these. This one is Christ in front of a door. And of course the Last Supper. I don't know if you can read the 3D on here, but anyway, they were both $1.50 and they should sell for around $50 a piece. Then I got another set. We're moving into Goodwill now, of mini plates by it's the Art of Fernandez, and these mini plates were $4.99 and they should sell for $30. Couldn't believe this. I found another Murano piece at Goodwill. This is a charger that was sold by Crate and Barrel. It is 15 inches in diameter, and this was made in Italy, should bring me about $70. Then I found this cute little Shenguan. I don't know how to pronounce that, but what it is a porcelain chopstick and holder set in blue and white. This was $4.99 and it should bring about $40. Early 21st century. And last but not least, this beautiful 16-inch by 10-inch platter, Leroy Lefon, made in France, porcelain baking dish with the design called Wildflowers, $4.99, and that should bring me about $50 to $60. Here is the marking. Whoops, upside down. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed our little haul, and the garage sales are coming on every week fast. So I will see you next week.